Hi guys, Google is already working on the Pixel 7 series with the codenames Cheetah and Panther, and the Pixel 6a is just around the corner, and it's gonna take some design elements from the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are gonna be launched later in October, but according to latest rumors, they're gonna be teased at the next Google I/O event in May alongside the Pixel Watch, and both devices are gonna be powered by the next generation Google Tensor chipset. But the display on the Pixel 7 will shrink from a 6.4-inch display to a 6.3-inch display, while the Pixel 7 Pro will maintain its 6.7-inch display, but only the 7 Pro will use a 120Hz LTPO display. The base Pixel 7 will most likely use the regular 120Hz display. Now for the Pixel 6a, it's gonna debut at this year's Google I/O event, which is scheduled for the 11th and 12th of May. But although it's gonna be announced in May, it won't be available for purchase until the end of July. The device will have a 6.2-inch 1080p AMOLED display with most likely a 120Hz refresh rate. And just like the Pixel 6 series, it's also gonna be powered by the Google Tensor chipset. It'll have a dual camera setup on the back with a 12 megapixel main sensor and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The device will house a 4800 mAh battery, which is weird because it's bigger than the battery capacity of the Pixel 6. There's no word on the price yet, but we can expect it to start at the same price as the Pixel 5a and definitely lower than the Pixel 6. So most likely a starting price of $449. Anyway, I'll be sure to update you guys as soon as there's more information, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it, and be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.